Hey everybody, Jim Williams here on the move. And today I'm gonna fly in an aeroplane, taking a trip from the beautiful paradise of Central Florida up to Atlanta, Georgia. Let's fly! Okay, loading the baggage in the car, ready for the airplane trip. There's the love of my life, getting ready to take me to the airport. I'm now on the tram, getting ready to go over to the airport gate to get on my airplane. Flying out of here, going to Atlanta. Alley cat.
Look over here.
Yeah. Finally on board, ready to take off. I got lucky and got a window seat.
Coca-Cola products.
Here we are, flying high up into and above the clouds. Alright, as soon as the traffic clears, we'll be pulling in over there to our gate.
Welcome to Atlanta from the flight.
Okay, here we are, coming up to our motel room. There you go. Green light. Oh, and we are in. Hampton Inn. Nice. And here's our pool view from the room. Here we are at the Martin Driver's Lounge. I'm just relaxing here before we go to begin the day. And this is the lobby, and here's part of the motley crew that's finishing up with me today. Waiting to go over to the terminal.